Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today's job is like from Tech Mahindra and they are hiring junior trainee associate positions, and totally we had 20 openings, and company providing attractive salary and offering 4 years MTech program from IBTS, and job responsibilities includes deliver the assigned project task in the given time, like we need to complete our task, and as well as we need to work with the team members to complete the targets. We need to analyze all the requirements carefully and devise solution, continuous learn and improve skills as per the business need, handle customer calls and responses, work independently, carry out tasks with attention to detail with highest standard, attending meetings, workshops, and contributing to the organization initiatives. So, these are the work responsibilities. Freshers can also apply for this position. Viewers, interview process involves online test, questions like aptitude, English essay writing, and next followed by technical round and HR interview. Interview schedule will be communicated separately to the eligible candidates. And viewers, eligibility criteria: minimum 60% like first class in your SSC, diploma and degree, BSc, BCA, and even BTech candidates can apply who are from computer science, computer applications, electronics, mathematics, statistics, physics. Not more than 1 year gap in your education since SSC, and that too after joining a course, means no loss of academic year after joining a course. So, this is a very important point. So, you need to score at least 60% marks in your 10th, 12th, graduation. Only 1 year gap is allowed after 10th to before your highest qualification, that is your graduation. Key skills involves analytical skills, learn and work in challenging environment, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Candidate need to be flexible enough, will have a rotational shifts, and candidate need to sign at least 2 years bond with the company. Yes, no active backlogs, and as well as candidate should have UG qualification, are eligible for this position. Either you completed your degree or BTech, in any stream you can apply for this position. Viewers, so these are the complete details regarding this job. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people, and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And I will provide a link in the description so that through link you can apply for this particular position. Viewers, subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel for all private and government jobs notifications. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews.